Hi, this video will show you how to do boho braids. Boho braid is a very popular style. You will learn how to prep and secure the braid. I will also give some tips during the process. Remember, watch from the beginning until the end. So first, use some hair gel to clean up the section. Brush out all the knots. This will make your braid easier. And then start with a basic 3-strand braid. Braid about 1 inch away from scalp. Now you can start adding curly strand to the braid. Put the curl in the middle strand and then leave one end out and put it up so it won't bother you braid. Braid another 1 to 2 inches and then add another curl on the other side. Remember, add the curl piece under the braid, just like this. Also leave one end out. And then keep braided down until you want to add another piece. I want to make it even, so I'm adding third piece of curl. So each piece of hair has an extension. It will help tuck in the end. How many pieces you should add? It depends the volume you want. Usually I will add 2 to 3 pieces for the bottom half of head. And the top part will be even more to create a fuller look. For boho braid, it can get tangled very easy because it's using curl. If you're using synthetic hair, you may just cut out the knot. To finish the end, you should braid under 2 inches of the natural hair. Now we can secure the end. To secure the end, take a small piece of hair, wrap around with a knot. I will do at least 3 knots to double secure it. This is only one way to secure the end. If you want to learn more other methods, come back for other video.